So hi guys, we are going to harvest our spinach here in the backyard. I know it's raining, but you have to be fast. So we are gonna harvest, get a lot of veggie here in our backyard. Yep. Pala yung na-harvest natin na gulay, mga palangga, fresh from our backyard. Then we have also the chili there, the chili. Raining so hard today. Look at our fresh spinach or alugbati.